Good morning, students. This is Dr. Griffin, and it is 10 a.m. on May 29th. Your Introduction to Business class starts today. I'll be posting this video in just a few minutes and then sending you a brief email. It is a 5-week intensive course, though there's a lot to do in the 5 weeks that will be with you as far as the studies go on Introduction to Business. First of all, I want you to get familiar with the Blackboard and peruse around the Blackboard site. Make sure that you're comfortable with the material there. Look at your syllabus and resource page as well. You'll need to get the book, Introduction to Business. I believe it's the 11th edition. Now, the book that you see on the internet on Blackboard is the hard copy book. There is an abbreviated book at the Triton bookstore that comes with the Connect code. The Connect code is required whether you buy the book from Triton College bookstore or whether you purchase it from somewhere else. You need the Connect code for this course. The Connect code, once you enter it, you won't have to enter it anymore. I posted some instructions as well for you on the syllabus and resource page, so you can look there on how to use the Connect code. But you need it for your homework, you need it for your Learn Smarts, your quizzes, and your exams. The business issues assignments, you don't need it there, or the discussion board. But this is our first day, so get familiar with the material. Get your book and your Connect code, or just your Connect code. If you want to just buy the Connect code, that's the electronic version of the book. You won't need anything else if you just want to use the electronic part of the book for the Connect code. Or the Triton bookstore has the Connect code with the book, or you can just purchase the Connect code. So make sure you get familiar with that, because you're going to be needing that. Your homework comes out on Mondays. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday, of course, was Memorial Day, so we didn't post anything. But typically your assignments will come out on Monday, and they're due on Sunday nights before 10 p.m. That's the typical process. Okay, so begin to become familiar with all the material. If you have any questions, let me know. Email me. If you do need to call me, you'll see my phone number on your Blackboard as well. Remember, it's an intensive course over 5 weeks, so there's a lot to do, so don't fall behind. And if this is your first online class, that's fine. Just remember, Dr. Griffin is here to help you succeed. So I'll do everything I can to make sure you're successful. All right, well, welcome to the class, and good luck, and don't be afraid to reach out to me anytime if you need any information or have questions. Okay, thank you, and I'll be in touch soon.